Hello there. We just bought a bunch of fireworks. I mean a bunch. Might be a lot, but got some I can't even talk right now. M150s. Got some bombing plane. Weather report. Something. Got some 25 shots of rapid fire finale moon rats right here. We also have some Mighty Max Chuku caution. Yes, caution with all this. Also have some Mighty Firecrackers. We also have some tanks. They look like this. Light there. Got some more of those. Got another one of those. Got some dust cutters. Pretty cool. Also got some ground bloom flowers like this. And yeah, we got some same thing. Yeah, those are all the same. These are Sadlers? Satellites. Yeah. We also have a European missile firework. I'm guessing it launches in the air. Some M1000s, once again. Some more moon rats. We got some dancing butterflies. Right here. We also have some sky bangers. We also have a giant grenade, smoke grenade thing. Bring up!